good afternoon to our most valued invited guests, ladies and gentlemen. It's my privilege to propose a vote of thanks on this occasion. I, on behalf of GTRI, want to extend a very hearty thanks to each one of you who came together and supported us to take our very first baby step. The journey has just begun, and we can't thank enough for your contribution in making this event a grand success. Cheers to everyone for building this community, or if I call this a united community. I want to thank the chief guest, Dr. S. Siddharth, who has been encouraging and guiding us from the time we conceived this idea. Further, I want to thank all the speakers for coming on one platform and sharing with us their brilliant insights. Thank you, Dr. S. Siddharth, Principal Secretary, Finance Department, Dr. N. Vijayalakshmi, Principal Secretary, Department of Sugarcane Industries, Vikas Bhaibhav, Special Secretary, Home Department, Abhay Kumar, Indian Ambassador to Madagascar, Rajkumar Jha, Dr. Anand Singh, Dean, Nalanda University, Dr. Vinita Sahai, Director, IIM Bodh Gaya, Saras Agrawal, Principal at Bharat Fund, Mili Aswarya of Penguin Publications, Dr. Rishi Raj of IIT Patna, Kunal Sinha of Wipro, Kaushik Chatterjee, Vice President, RBL Bank, Nixon Joseph, CEO of SBI Foundation, Prashant Kashyap, Priyanka Sinha Jha, Vaisali Seta, Shashank Kumar, Abhyanand Ji, former DGP, and last but not least, P. Charanjan, who is a naturalist. I must acknowledge the unwavering support of our invaluable sponsors who made this event a success. I may like to mention them individually. Thank you, our associate sponsor, RBL Bank, and Mr. Kaushik Chatterjee, our health partner, Roban Hospital and Dr. Satyajit, our hospitality partner, Lemon Tree and Mr. Manish, our snacks partner, Pramod Sweets and Namkeen, Mr. Pramod, Mr. Vinod Kumar Bharani, and Vikas Jain. Our health drink partner, Satuj, Mr. Sachin, Nalco, Coal India Limited, and our travel partner, Extreme Roads. I also wish to express my gratitude to all friends from media fraternity for covering this event and praising us with this unique initiative and taking this into limelight. A special thanks to Vision Enterprises, Mr. Rajesh Ranjan, and all the PU members for capturing this unforgettable moment. A special thanks to Sadhya for being a great anchor and a moderator. Thanks to entire technical team for online sessions and all coordinations. Most importantly, I, on behalf of whole GTRI team, express our sincere thanks to all the delegates for their enthusiastic participation. You all made our day. Well, ladies and gentlemen, an event like this cannot happen overnight. The wheels start rolling months ago. It requires planning and a bird's eye for each and every details. We have been fortunate enough to be backed by a team of very motivated and dedicated colleagues who know the job and are result-oriented. Thank you, Sunny and team. Thank you, all those who contributed in bits and pieces. I cannot thank everyone enough for their involvement and their willingness to take on completion of tasks beyond their comfort zones. A special thanks to Kumud Kumar, Kaushik Ranjan. We thank you for being with us in these 2 enriching days. It has been a great pleasure. I would like to end my speech with few lines from Himmat Aur Jindagi, a very renowned and respected poet who was from our land, Sri Ramdhari Singh Dinkar. यह अरण्य झुरमुट जो काटे अपनी राह बना ले, कृत दास यह नहीं किसी का जो चाहे अपना। जीवन उनका नहीं युधिष्ठिर जो उससे डरते हैं, वह उनका जो चरण रोक निर्भय होकर लड़ते हैं। With this, I would say your presence in this event gave us that nirbhayata, and we are sure with this we will succeed. Thank you very much. See you all in the next edition of GTRI. Till then, take care and stay in touch. God bless us all. Jai Bihar, Jai Hind.